everybody, it's been a while and it's been 1 week since I played this pizza. I hope you have a nice day, a nice meal. Good morning, good night, or good afternoon. Sa mga 14 subscriber ko dyan, nagdan kayo at magsaya tayo. Let's go guys. Let's play this pizza. So as you can see, I was playing this. Naglaro ako ng iilang days para mag-level. So day 23 na tayo. Yung last video natin is more like 6 to 10 days. Yeah. Okay, what? They want 3 days. You want play? And 1 vegetarian. Oh, may bagong recipe na pala ako. Ito yung bagong recipe. May eggplant ako, may pepperoni, may sausage. Ito, may bell pepper, classic meat, onion, vegetarian, so ito yung vegetarian. Vegan, yung vegan walang cheese. Yung vegetarian may cheese. Tapos ito supreme, yung onion, bell pepper at olive. Yeah. So wala pa sa iba. So let's continue. Vegetarian. See, it's very hard to. Now let's put on the onion. Naglaro kayo din dito guys for relaxing time. Ang saya nito. Gandang laro to guys. So let's cook this. So we got the payment and what is the other one? Oh, meat. Okay. Meat. So meat, pepperoni. Ito tawag dito. Sausage na ito. Ito na ata yung meat. So let's do. At nakabili rin ako ng auto cutter guys. So madami talagang nagbago dito. Then then katlo. Nice, diba? Ang bilis lang. Oh hello, I'm sure you heard about my Pizzarama. Okay, over there. I was sick, congrats. Very mean to me the other day, huh? So let's see some. Ah, duck talking. Okay. Kapag susukan na nalas yan, may duck na talking. Okay. He's dancing, huh? Yeah. What the fuck? Okay. I want to clean this. What's it? 3? Yeah, 3. So as you can see, I have on the supreme. So the supreme was like this, you know, with pepperoni, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then meat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then mushroom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And olive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 3. Let's cut this and give this to the kid. So as you can see, it's here on the one. Now let's give this to the kid. So I just want to say guys that na nag-aaral ako ng Resident Evil, yung original, yung 2005, kasi kapag yung remake yung nilaro ko is that hindi kaya sa computer ko. Yung computer ko parang lumang-luma na. AMD A10 yun. A8 pala, A8. Pero maganda ang graphics card nun. Naka RX 550. Diba? Naka RX 550. Ito siya guys. Ito yung Supreme. Olive. Onions. Then, ito siya guys. Oh, ha? Luto agad. So, I have $300 and 21 gems. So, kapag nakaipon ako ng 25 gems, bibili ako ng automatic na sauce para hindi na ako mahirapan. So, it's day 23 and it's 6:30 p.m. So, that was our last day. So, for today is my total profit is $86. So, yeah. So, guys, it's day 24. So, let's win this. Day 24. Oh my god, I forgot to. All dress pizza, what? Ah, he wants everything, guys. Oh my. So, I have a wider pizza now. He wants all of them. So let's give what she wants. That's Supreme, eh? Onion. The capsicum, and then eggplant, because she want all of it. So that's it. Let's try to fill this first so that I won't skip. Okay, let's cut this and give this to him. Oh, he's angry. Lamar. I need to get this. Okay. So here's your pizza, mother flipper. Here's your pizza. So this is how I cook it to give it the double that order. Okay? Double it. Vegetarian naman. Vegetarian. And that's standard that food. I know he was a fish, yes. Last two up. Give it to the next person. So as you can see, it's the vegetarian. I hope you like this. And lastly, mushroom. Let's go. Bilisan natin ito guys. So, oh no 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 no. Oh my god. I need to cut that one. That was a fucking mistake. Too bad. That was bad. That was actually bad. What is reveal your destiny? This is your destiny. So this is the pizza I made that reveals my destiny. I don't know what she wants, so I need to improvise. Okay. What is it again? I'd like a half pepperoni and half cheese, but can you not put sauce on any of it? You don't want sauce? What? Half cheese, half pepperoni. Half cheese, half pepperoni. What is it? Cheese and half pepperoni. When you take an order, guys, I recommend that you comprehend well. If you're not sure, you just ask them to be sure. So this once, let's give it to him, her. Okay, that's all for today. So it's day 24. Our rent is 15. Okay. -6. What happened? Okay guys, it's day 25, so third day. Let's get this done real quickly. So guys, let's set the table up. So gusto niyo half cheese na bread, tapos half sauce na bread. Dito, tapos din dito, tapos din dito, din dito. Ha? Ito pa nga? Make it double down half. So let's cook it now. Cook na natin to. I need to cut in half. Buti mo, meron akong auto-cutter. Ang galing ko talaga. Nag-invest ako ng auto-cutter. Yan, bigyan natin sa kay kuya. The next, agad. Okay. Once olive guys. So ito na po yung olive niya with sausage. Niluto na natin, tapos i-cut natin mamaya. bigay sa atin. Bigyan natin sa kanya. Easy. Cheese, man. Okay, he wants half cheese. Let's make this one. Need half pepperoni and half mushroom with no cheese. Coming right up. So, yes, with no cheese, right? Half pep. So this is what it looks like in the cheese and half pepperoni with half mushroom. Yeah. Nice. Next please. Order dahil agad. Check for my favorite ingredient. 2 fruit pizza. What? 2 cheese pizza with all the fruits are available. I'm starving. Guys, what is fruit? Is eggplant is fruit? And onion? I think so. Yeah, just give it to me. Let's just try this, guys. Because I don't know what fruit is. I don't have fruit toppings yet. As you can see. So let's just hope he likes it. Oh. So guys, I found the book. So it's fruit. This is what he meant. Olive, bell pepper, and eggplant only. But I put onions. So let's. So olives. Bell pepper. I got wrong to the other one. So I hope they like it 50-50. I think that will be today, sir. Sorry, sir. I get confused by your. So let's play again. Mushroom and olive. What's mushroom and olive? Let's do it this fast. Mushroom and olive. So I guess this will be the end of the day. Whoa, Dracula, give me a mushroom. Mushroom pepper pizza. Mushroom pepper pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Mushroom. I think this is the last customer that I have. Huh? What? I didn't do anything. Okay. That's alright. So let's buy some new toppings for today. Okay. Or maybe we should go to the next day. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I need to buy this. 95. Easy. Repairs. There's no repair today. I think that will be it. So let's play. So this is it. Today is a holiday. It's day 26. Okay. Oh shit. That was nice. Holy. There's the first. And there's that again. Pepperoni and olive. One's pepperoni and olive, guys. Yeah, that's it. So, nag-order po siya ng dalawang fruit pizza. Ito yung fruit pizza guys. Lagyan natin dito. Lastly, ito. Nice. Next order please. Come to my pizzeria. Mamma mia. So this is the top one. Pepperoni. I thought it was gonna pepperoni sausage. Sausage, there's onions. Olives. Peppers. Okay, that is it. So guys, this is a top one because we ordered 2 supremes. No. Fuck. I almost got it too. Olives, onions. Let's do it this fast because it's 8:45. No, it's 9. Holy. That's the eggplant. Oh my god. This is it, pancit. I hope don't forget to like, share this video guys. I hope don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. So day 26 was a hell of a week. Nice. That's a big profit, you know. So guys, what do you think? We should buy the pesto sauce? I think we should buy next time. What a day for another day of day 27 of my pizza. Oh man. Another Supreme? I hate Supreme, man. This is what I hate the most, guys. It's the Supreme because you have to add all the toppings, and I hate it. You know? My God. Onions, then bell pepper. And eggplant pasta. My god. This is very time consuming. So guys, this is the hard one. Another Supreme. I hate this guys. So let's get. I think this will be all today for today's video. I hope you like and share this video to any of your friends, and I hope you like the video guys. Kasi nararo na naman tayo ng ibang games. The Supermarket Simulator, matagal din ako hindi nakalaro doon. I think it's been 6 days that we play that game. So I hope you stay tuned on my channel. I hope you like this video and share this to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Without you, I'm not here today for making this video to you guys. And I hope I can still see you on the next video. I love you all and thank you. So yan lang po guys. I hope nagandahan kayo sa aking 25 minutes na video sa pizzeria ko. That's all for today. Follow me on my Insta, Twitter, and TikTok, guys. See you soon. Bye. Last order of the day. See you on the next day, guys. See you at what day will I be recording. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting. Bye bye.